Hello, everyone. Before starting, I want to ask, how many of you have seen people painting house? Okay, 21 people. Now, keep your hand up if you think that painting could save people from the cancer. Nobody. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Restuan. I'm a painter. But I do not painting house. I'm painting cancer cells, and I do it to save people's life. The reason my work is matter is because it is urgent. During this 3 minutes presentation, cancer will kill people, at least approximately 60 people. That's why my project focusing on to find a cure, and I do it by painting. Think about it like this house. Before painting, it's hard to see the detail. I do the same thing in the lab. These are cancer cells before painting. Everything is great, it's hard to read. Then I develop a formula magic dyes. Once I add, boom, the cell is light up. Now we can start to see the nucleus of the cells, the walls of the cells. But the big question is, Restuan, how do you find drug cancer using this method? It is simple, visual test. So you take cancer cells, and then you add one by one potential drug, and then you paint them. You do this over and over until you find which one drug that can change the painting from the cancer look like to the healthy one. Simple. But here the second problem. I don't have one drug to test. I have 50,000 drugs to test. If I do by myself, it will take 3 years. How many people will die? Too slow. Or I need to clone myself 160 times for health, which is impossible. To tackle this problem, I replace my strong arm with this robotic here, so I can program the arm to prepare the sample, mixing the cells, test one by one drug, and then paint them, and then after that, taking the picture automatically. And also, I utilize AI to select which one drug over this 50,000 drug that change the painting. And for the record, traditional way to find a drug for cancer, it takes up to 5 years. But here, in NYU Abu Dhabi, this guy and I can discover a new right drug for new right cancer only in 5 days. So 1 week, halas. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Restuan. I'm a proud painter, and I'm using my paintbrush to combat cancer. Thank you.